It is December the 16th, 2020, and we are finally, for the first time in ages, getting a real snowstorm. Oh my, camera's having trouble focusing. Look at how deep. I mean, usually, most years this would just be a regular snowstorm, but this is the most we've had in ages. See that? The real heavy snow hasn't even arrived yet. There's a bit of a lull in the snow now. As you can see, it's piled up quite nicely. You can see in downtown Altoona, can't really even see it. Snow falling so much, but there's a lot of snow everywhere. And in the yard, it's so deep I can barely walk in it. See those? Those were my footprints from when I went out to investigate the snow a few hours ago. What footprints? I don't see no footprints. It's 2 a.m. and the snow is pretty much wrapped up. That was shoveled just a few hours ago. So a little bit of snow still falling. But that's pretty much it. It is 8 a.m. the next morning, December the 17th. And here's a look at how much fell in the mountains. And downtown, kind of hard to see. But New Junior High kind of blocks the view of downtown. But we got a lot of snow. This is the most we've gotten in years. Now, in the light of day, let's look at the final storm accumulations. Remember how I walked through the yard twice to show you? His footprints are mostly filled in. Hey, look at how deep it is. There's snow in the yard. It's where the garage used to be. Picnic table and the roof. Already starting to melt and form icicles. Just look at how deep some of those footprints are. I know this isn't a ridiculous amount of snow, but we haven't had a real snowstorm in years. It's been mild winter after mild winter. It's the first real snowstorm we've had in 4 or 5 years. And hopefully there's even more to come through the winter. It's November 2nd and we're getting our first real snowfall of the year. So far, a couple inches have fell. As you can tell, it really normally would still be fall. And trees still have leaves on them. There's still some green on that one. It's really coming down. Ground's still warm, so not much is landing yet, except on the deck. A little bit in the yard. It's so weird. See trees with some partially green leaves getting snowed on. It's like seeing 3 seasons at once. It looks really cool though. It's December 1st. All the snow from the beginning of last month is gone. And it's just now starting to snow again. Took a week for that early November snow to melt. Barely snowed the rest of the month. At least the temperature feels a little bit chilly.